Hello again, YouTube. Back to TRX 4. Same place, it's just been raining, so everything's gonna be like underwater. Just charged the battery up last night. There goes mail truck. I need to adjust that steering. Okay. It's actually still raining. And I'm getting rained on, but I don't care. This is for YouTube. We do have waterproof electronics, so let's try to not flip over. I just heard something hop in there, probably a frog. We're not going to be driving down there. The black thing you see in the bottom of the corner is the controller. I'm trying to film and drive at the same time. It's starting to come down a little harder now. Does not matter. The TRX4 does not care. Yes, submerge the motor. If I continue to walk, it should be coming out now. Hello. I try to keep it out of the real deep water because waterproof electronics is not 100% guaranteed. I do know a place I want to drive it though, once I get it out of this ditch. Let's hop out right here. We're gonna need diff lock. Oh, I completely missed that. Here, YouTube, I'll get it again for you. Come to this side of the road, please. I mean, look, if this isn't cool to you, I know it is. I'm getting rained on, so I can film for you, YouTube. Be grateful. I think the rain's starting to pick up, actually, a little bit. I don't care. I drove this thing in a hurricane once. Not the one that blew the town away. Another one. I think it was called Irma. It was not as intense. We just got a bunch of rain and some wind. That is top speed. That would be a light jog for me. It's not built for speed though. Oh, there's a squirrel. I'm gonna chase the squirrel. Oh, I don't want it. There's quite a bit of mud over there. So we're gonna go over here. Let's put it in low range so I can crawl down without completely flopping down here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's some nice gushy mud. I'm behind somebody's house now. This is not my house, so let's put it back in high range. Let's go get it some nice mud here. It just does not stop. It will not stop until the battery dies. Then it stops. Sorry, I'm not getting super good camera angles. I'm trying to drive more than film. don't know what's beyond here. Probably somebody with a shotgun. No, somebody's trampoline. Okay, well, let's get out of here. Let's turn that around. Tell you what I'll do, I'll get some real nice camera views here. I got caught on a stick. I think a fence used to be here. Oh, I'm standing in some squishy mud, but not squishy enough for the truck to sink in it. Just, 100-pound me to sink in it. The truck weighs about 9 pounds. Let me lock low range so it doesn't fall back down the hill. Okay. Well, I'm going to end the video here because there's not much more to do. I'll jump it. I'll jump it real quick. And that's how you're getting. Okay, goodbye, YouTube.